so please go easy on me. In this video, I'm going to be making a dress that is inspired by a dress that Beyoncé wore to the 2004 Brit Awards. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get to it. The materials for this dress are very simple. You need a glue of your choice, rhinestone trim, side cutters, and a dress of your choice. The particular dress that I'm using in this video is from a thrift store in my state that I got for $10 a couple years ago, so I will link below some dresses that you can find that are similar or that are by the same brand. So for this first part, you're just going to take the side cutters and cut the rhinestone trim into various different sizes. It really doesn't matter how big or small you cut them, it's really to your preference. I do want to mention that the rhinestone rolls are fairly inexpensive. They come with about 10 yards of material, sometimes 11 depending on where you order them from, and I get them for about $7 to $8 when I order from China, or if you need them fast you can get them from a US seller for about 10 to 12 typically. From China, I've never really had to wait longer than a week and a half for them, so it's not bad at all. For this next part, you're just going to take the fabric glue of your choice and start placing down the rhinestone trim that you just cut. The top of the dress I used straighter lines, and then I started to squiggle them a little bit, just going off of the pictures of the dress that Beyoncé wore. You can use whatever type of fabric glue that you prefer to use. I like to use fabri-tac just because it works best in my experience. I find it a little easier to use. It doesn't have a heavy scent, dries fast, and it just worked well on anything that I've used it for. I don't like glues like E6000 just because of the heavy scent alone. Fabri-tac ranges from about $9 to $17 depending on where you get it from, but if you buy it from Michael's or Joann's, they always have a 40 to 50% off coupon that you can use, and it's a great discount. So now that I've made it to the bottom of the dress using the same designs that I did at the top, I'm just going back through and filling in extra large spaces with smaller rhinestone trim just to make it look as detailed as possible, just like the dress that Beyoncé wore. I did want to mention that in between the dress I put a cardboard cutout based on my measurements just so that when I want to wear the dress it actually stretches to my contour without issue. And now we have the final product. There are some spaces that obviously could be filled in, but I did run out of rhinestone trim, so I decided not to do the back yet. But I am planning on wearing this dress in August, so I will be going back through and filling in the lines the same way that I showed you here. And then I will be doing the back as well. Since I'm not wearing the dress in this video, I did want to show you on the mannequin. Super pretty, super sparkly. So as you can see here, it looks a little awkward. It didn't come out as I planned right there, so I am going to cut it as a V-neck just like the dress that Beyoncé wore, and I ran out of material so there wasn't anything I could do about that area anyways, but hey. As some of you may know, I wanted to do a little giveaway for my first YouTube video, so for you and your friend to win matching pieces of your choice from my store, all you have to do is like and comment on this video, be subscribed to my channel, and you must also be following my business page on Instagram and comment on the post with the picture of this dress. I'll be choosing the winner next Friday, June 7th, and I'll contact you via DM and ask you what you and your friend would like from my shop. Thank you again, guys, and good luck. And regardless if you're entering the giveaway or not, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know below what you guys would like to see next.